Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos. Everyone needs a little extra pampering, and these bath salts help soothe the body, plus detox too. This homemade healing bath salts recipe will help increase relaxation, relieve muscle pain, decrease stress, and support body detoxification. Our Epsom bath salt include recipes for scented bath salts using essential oils. Two cups Epsom salt, ½ cup Dead Sea salt, ½ cup baking soda, 15 drops lavender essential oil, 10 drops cedarwood essential oil, 5 drops orange essential oil, sprigs dried lavender, optional. Place the Epsom salts, Dead Sea salt, and baking soda in a jar. Then place the essential oil drops over the salts. Shake the jar to disperse the essential oils. If you are adding optional materials like dried lavender, add them after shaking the salts with the essential oils. If the mixture starts clumping, reuse those little packets of silica gel that come in new shoes and vitamins. Just leave a couple in the jar to soak up extra moisture and avoid clumping. You may click on the link in the description below to get some of the items mentioned in this recipe.